Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well, enjoying the sunshine and this awesome, beautiful day wherever you are. And let us allow all the blessings of joy, peace, happiness, and love to flow into our lives right now. And let us be grateful and mindful of the present moment. I'm here to show you some supplies that I gathered and purchased for my junk journal projects. So this is a junk journal haul and I hope that you stay with me. So first off, let me show you all these beautiful letters. These are vintage from the 1940s. I even saw one or several letters that are from 1920s, and these are letters to soldiers. My father was a war veteran, and so when I saw these letters, they really spoke to me. I had to get them. So I have tons of these wonderful memories, and they are beautiful to include in my junk journal projects. And so when you see them in flea markets or antique shows, I hope that you grab some of them because they are really wonderful and great elements to include in your journals. I already started reading some of the letters. I haven't finished all of them yet, and oh, these are really awesome. And some of them have postcards. This is a note with numbers. So there's math here. And this is just great memories. So this is one postcard. And let's see what else we have here. And they are original. You can even tell from the envelopes how old they are. Let's open this letter. Wow, look at that. Okay, so this is from 1944. So I'm just so glad to have them, and I have them digitized already, so they will be available in my shop soon. Hopefully I get to that. And then I was able to grab some vintage car registrations and licenses. So let's take a look at some of them. Okay, so these are really old, 1939, and they belong to someone from Canada. Some of them are also going to be available in my shop, Nelda's Crafts, and I will provide the link in my description if you are interested in purchasing the digitized format. And it's just so amazing how we are able to see them now, and these are again from the early 1900s. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I got them as a bundle, so I cannot really tell how much each element cost, but they're not very expensive and they're not very cheap either. So they're just priced right, I believe, because of, again, the memories and the age of the elements. Plus, I got several other items from the seller, so he gave me a good deal. Alright, let me just show you some of the digital files that are now available in my shop, and I will be adding more. So these are some of the letters. I will be scanning most of them. I'm not sure if I can do this week, but because I have other projects to finish, but I'll try my best. And if you are interested, some of them are now available. And let me show you this. Now, these are scanned copies of tickets, concert tickets. They're not vintage. Some of them were from 2010 and or 2006, so different dates. But I really like to use them as elements as well. So I scanned them, and they will be also available in my shop. These were tickets from my friend who really loved going to rock concerts and metal concerts. I'm not into that, but I like the elements, so I scanned them and digitized them. These are vintage clear checks. These are Canadian checks which are also digitized and are available now. And these are the copies of some of the membership cards and licenses, and they are really great. And then I found this book, The Country Flowers of a Victorian Lady. and I love them. I got it for $3, and it has all these awesome, really very pretty images. You know how I love adding botanical images to my inside pages. So I was so thrilled when I found this book, and I did not mind paying $3 for this. It's a treasure. I know some ladies were very lucky to have found Edith Holden books and other botanical vintage books and only paid for 50 cents each. And I was not lucky enough, but I guess $3 is a fair price and it is worth it. So I'm going to enjoy all these beautiful images and add them to my inside pages. A lot of times when I am not in the mood to craft or I need some inspiration, I just look at all the beautiful pages of botanical books, and they lift my spirit and keep me going and, give inspiration. And sometimes that's all it takes. So this book was first published in 1999, it says here. So this is fabulous. What do you think, friends? Do you like this book? I think I can turn the images into journal cards or tags, pockets, and talks maybe, or just really part of the inside page. I am presently working on several projects, and let me show you what I have here. Okay, so this is not done. This is just one signature where I use some of the letters that I showed you and some of the digital letters. So these are digitized, and then I use them as tags as well. I plan on doing a grungy looking junk journal with probably 3 signatures. So this is just one signature that is not completely embellished yet, but it's going to be different from my previous projects because I will be using only, vintage letters and elements. And when it is done, I will also do a flip through. I will also show you some books that I got. These are not vintage books, but I love the cover and the material. So these are great as junk journal covers. And I'm not really so sure yet if I will decorate the cover or just leave it as is. And the inside pages will probably be naked, just the same as the ones that I listed in my shop. They were sold out, so I'm going to probably do a set of 3 again. So the spine will have to be reinforced, and these are the inside pages. I will do some stenciling maybe. Not so sure yet, but these are, again, some of the projects that I am currently working on. And I'd like to also ask you, friends, what you think about naked junk journals. Do you like the pages stenciled or do you like them just blank pages? So just want to know if you could leave me a message. I would really appreciate it. Or leave a comment down below or leave some suggestions. I love reading your comments, and I really appreciate you taking the time to provide great feedback. Okay, so these are the books that I am working on, and I know that I am not consistently uploading videos, but I'd like you to know that I really appreciate your support. And if you are not part of my YouTube family yet, please hit that subscribe button, join us. I have a few comments wanting some tutorials, and I apologize if I am unable to do some tutorials recently, but I will try my best. I am just working on a few other custom orders, and once that's done, then I can make some tutorial videos. So there you go, everyone. This is my junk journal haul and some projects that I am currently working on. I hope that you like this video. Enjoy the rest of the day. It is 29 degrees where I am, and I hope that you are enjoying your beautiful weather too. Take care. Bye now. God bless you. Till next time.